Hey guys, RPM here. Hope y'all doing well and having a really great day. In this video, I just received this Asus RTX 3070, and this is a Noctua Edition 3070, and it's also LHR'd as well. But that's okay. I got this because there was a community member who reached out to me and said, "Hey, Red Panda, I got a 3070 Noctua. Do you want to buy it?" And I said, "Sure, why not?" And I paid a little bit too much for it, but that's okay. These are actually on Newegg right now, and I think they're about $12.50 USD, which is quite a lot, but obviously this 3070 is, I would say, cream of the crop when it comes to 3070s. And in terms of models and brands, because this model is definitely, I would say, high tier, because it's Asus, it's Noctua, and look at this. Look at this. This is nuts. Just ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta do some size comparisons here. This GPU is, this box alone is also incredibly big. Here's a 3070 Ti. This is an EVGA for the Win 3. Let's go ahead and put it like this. You can see the shroud is so much wider. Look at that. Isn't that ridiculous? That is ridiculous. Look at I like this. Asus Noctua. That's pretty nice. This 3070 has two 8-pins. Okay, but I want to compare now. There's another 3070 I got here. This is an Asus Strix RTX 3070 LHR, and let me try and see if I can. Let me just put it into this slot right here, and that is too funny. Okay, there we go. I put it into this mining cave frame, and you can see here the spacing is okay on this side, but once you look on this side, it's covering the other riser. So this is a very, very wide spaced graphics card in terms of the width here. That is nuts. The shroud alone is just, oh my god, that's just amazing. That's just amazing. Look at that. So I bet if I tried to move this 3070 Noctua over into this slot, it would not fit because this GPU would be in the way. You guys watching me right now, does anyone else have one of these Noctua GPUs or even a rig of these 3070 Noctuas? Let me know down below. This is an incredible GPU. I really like the backplate. Reminds me of like the Asus Tufts. Here's a Strix 3090, and I'm just gonna put this. You guys can see. I just want to show the size comparison here. That is crazy. Look at that. Look at that. It's not. I would say the Noctua is not as long as the Strix 3090. But it's definitely thicker. Okay, anyways, this video, guys, I just wanted to do some hash rate numbers on this RTX 3070 LHR, and I'm just gonna see what this thing can do. Probably gonna perform really well in terms of temperatures, but let me go ahead. I'm gonna put this on my test bench, and I will see you guys in the computer. We'll see the hash rates and on Ethereum, just on a couple coins, and we'll see the power consumption as well. Yeah, this thing has, I would say, pretty good thermal pads too, but there's no thermal pads on the back plate. I guess this is GDDR6, not GDDR6X. Anyways, see you in the computer. Okay, I already want to have a rig of 6 of these. Look at this, guys. This thing, even though they're an LHR, they can get about, 46, 45 mega hash, typical 3070. But look at the power consumption and the temperature that this GPU can get right now. 46 degrees Celsius, 98 watts or 105 watts in the software. And at the PMD, you guys can see I have a power measuring device. That thing is also getting about 107. You can see right there, 105 watts at the wall, mining at about 46, 47 mega hash. Isn't that amazing? And I can't even hear this GPU. Like, this thing is incredibly quiet. And actually, when I ramp up the fans to, let's just do 100% fan. Let's just do 100 fan here. It doesn't get loud at all. and also the power consumption barely goes up. Like these fans, these Noctua fans are really, really good. Okay, I can hear it a little bit more, but not that much. Anyways, guys, that was the Ethereum hash rate. Here are my overclocks, doing 1100 absolute core clock in Hive OS, 2800 memory, and that's it. You guys can see this GPU is incredibly cool. 45 degrees C, 46, 47 meg hash. All right, let's go ahead and do Ravencoin. I'm expecting the temps to go up. Okay, we are mining Ravencoin and we're getting about 30 mega hash at about 135 watts. These are the settings I'm using in Hive OS. I tried 130 PL, but the hash rate dropped to like 28 mega hash. So I think the perfect medium I have here is 135 PL, 150 core, 2600 mem, and you guys can see at the PMD, power measuring device, 135, 136 watts. Pretty true to what the software is telling there. So that is awesome. Yeah, this is an extremely efficient GPU for mining even Ravencoin. I think, yeah, this is definitely top tier, I would say, in terms of efficiency right now. Just looking at, I have other 3070s, even non-LHRs, they have to use about 140, 145 watts to achieve 30 mega hash. So yeah, this is really good. This is a really nice 3070. I'm gonna have to say, Silicon Lottery, this GPU is probably really good. Samsung memory. I mean, most of the 3070s I believe are Samsung memory, but this one specifically from Asus is really good. Anyways, let me go ahead and try Flux. Let's get some Flux mining going on. Okay, we are mining Flux, and yes, this GPU is doing awesome. Top tier. We're getting 62.33 souls at 145 PL, 145 watts, and that is very true at the PMD, 145 watts. And just to verify with you guys here, we are using Mini Z miner. I tried G miner, but G miner I was getting like 58 souls per second. Mini Z is giving me a little bit more here at about 61 to 62 souls. And 145 watts, this is very, very efficient. This is definitely one of the top tier GPUs for Flux mining in terms of efficiency. And yeah, compared to the 2080 Ti I just did recently, reviewed recently, both these GPUs, 2080 Ti and 3070, I'd have to say are the best GPUs in terms of efficiency for mining Flux. Just, yeah, really good. Should I just go ahead and buy like 6 of these? Actually, no. These are too expensive. Don't do it. Don't do it, Red Panda. The addiction is real. All right, guys. Let me try another coin. I don't know which one yet. All right, we are mining Ergo, and since this is a LHR GPU, we are being essentially LHR'd on this algorithm, the Auto Lycos algorithm on Ergo. And it's sad, unfortunate, but we're using T-Rex miner. I'm using the LHR tune of 92.4. And I was playing around with a bunch of LHR numbers like 91, 94, 95, 96. And I think 92.4 is the best number that I can achieve here at 159 to 160 mega hash on mining Ergo. And here are the numbers in Hive OS. You can see here I'm using minus 50 core, 2600 memory, and a power limit of 125. Okay, so that's all well and good on this GPU. I know that the non-LHR 3070s can get about, I think, 175 mega hash at the same power consumption. So yeah, it's sad that the LHR 3070s can't get its, full hash rate on Ergo yet. That may come soon, who knows. Anyways, the PMD is showing about 120 to 125 watts. And yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty low. All right, guys, that's Ergo. Let me go ahead and try another coin. Okay, this is now, we are mining Conceal. And here's my overclock settings: 150 core, 2600 memory, 135 PL. We're getting 3100 hashes per second on the Kryptonite CNGPU, Kryptonite GPU algorithm on Conceal. And here are the numbers. And we are using the latest version of Crypto Dredge, 0.260 NVIDIA mining Conceal. So yeah, this does really well This GPU does really well on Conceal as well. Super efficient. And yeah, okay. Yeah, PMD is showing, ooh, a little bit higher, 150 watts, 160. It's fluctuating a lot. But generally in between the medium, I think is 135 watts. Pretty efficient, really efficient. All right, let's try another coin. Okay, maybe some people want to see some dual mining action, and we got Ethereum plus Alephium on this Noctua 3070. So we're getting 45 mega hash on Ethereum, and then we're getting 847.64 mega hash on Alephium. Now, you guys probably want to see my settings that I'm using, and yes, I'm using a little bit more power, but my core is at 175, memory's at 2600, and then the power limit is at 150. So that is how I can achieve these numbers on this LHR 3070 dual mining Ethereum and Alephium. You can see at the PMD the power's pretty much roughly at 150. 150 watts, which is pretty good. All right, let's try another coin. Okay, next coin here is Firo, and we are getting 30.6 mega hash. Pretty much the same amount as we were getting with Ravencoin. My overclock numbers are a little bit different here. I thought I'd try a little bit higher. And yeah, it seems to work just as well because this is a ProgPow variant coin, Firo. So Firo Pow is the algorithm. So yeah, pretty similar to Ravencoin, and that's all well and good. And in case you guys want to see the miner, we're using THICKEST miner, and the temperature of this GPU is seriously just incredible. I have it at 60% fan, and this GPU is whisper quiet. Okay, so just to conclude this video, all the hash rates that we got, I think this GPU is, I mean, the 3070 in general, even the LHR versions are just fine on mining a lot of other coins. And of course, they are LHR'd on Ethereum at this moment, unless something comes out very soon. Not quite sure as of recording this video. But this Asus Noctua RTX 3070, I'm gonna have to say, is an awesome graphics card. This is just amazing in terms of the cooler and the temperatures of this thing. There's no flashy lights on this Noctua Edition 3070. Just to let you guys know, there's no RGB or anything. I guess very similar to the ideals of the Noctua fans. You know, the brown and then the beige coloring outside. You know, there's no RGB on these fans. And so I guess that goes with just the color scheme that they meant to do with this graphics card, which is, it looks awesome, right? I would love to have like a whole bunch of these on a rig, because just in terms of mining, it's quiet because of these big Noctua fans, and judging by the numbers that we can achieve at the PMD here, it is incredibly efficient. And I'm gonna have to say that the silicon lottery on this one is also, it's also binned a lot better on this GPU, it seems. And so yeah, would I buy this for mining at the current price it is now? Probably not. It costs way too much. And I mean, you can buy regular 3070 LHRs. They might not be as nice as this one, but you know what? The extra price that you're gonna pay for this Noctua Edition 3070, I don't know. I don't think it'll make that much sense down the road. And maybe in terms of resale, if people think this will be good for resale, not everyone likes this style of, you know, of GPU, like the Noctua brand, right? Only, I would say, people that are hardcore enthusiasts, like PC enthusiasts that like Noctua fans, would probably enjoy this GPU a lot. But when it comes to maybe a regular gamer, they're gonna look at it and be like, no, what the heck is this? I'm not gonna buy this. I don't know, guys. I'm just talking out of my head here. Anyways, guys, you let me know what you think about this GPU and the hash rates that I achieved on this thing. And yeah, I think it's pretty good overall though. Alright my friends, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.